The Copying Projects option enables the project owner to create a duplicate of any existing project and simply amend elements of the project that have changed for the new project. This is particularly helpful for builders whose projects often incorporate the same product and trade requirements, are usually of a similar duration and price range, and will operate with the same document and staff access settings. And I'm going to copy an existing project because the single-story residential project I've been awarded has a very similar scope to my last project. You will see that I now have a duplicate project with copy at the end of the title. From the details screen, I'm going to update the project title and the commencement date, but the project length and price value I will keep the same. I don't need to change the project type. It's still a residential project, but I do need to change the status from a current active construction project, which was the status of the original project, to a status of tender. My last project was on the Gold Coast, but this time I'll be working the Sunshine Coast. I'm still going to promote the project within Brisbane, but I'm going to remove Gold Coast and add Sunshine Coast to my project regions. In the Info tab, I'm going to provide a tender closing date, but I don't need to indicate a restricted folder set because this has been copied over from the original project, and I want it to stay the same. My staff access settings have been carried over from the last project, as have my document access settings. So all I need to do now is upload the new project docs. The trade and product requirements have been populated, and I'll just add the trades and products needed to construct a swimming pool as this wasn't a requirement of the last project. Now that I'm satisfied that all the details for the new project have been added, I'm going to return to the Info tab and publish my project. You can also copy projects that have surveys attached. The survey categories and allocated questions will be copied from the original project, including their weights and the order they appear in the questionnaire. I am now ready to distribute my project. On this occasion, I want to ensure that every contractor and supplier that worked on my last job is notified about this project. In order to do this, I go into the project I copied from to the On Project report. From here, I select All and click Team Folder. This will automatically create a folder containing all the contractors and suppliers who worked on the project. Now that the folder is created, I go back to my new project. By going directly to Fast Track and filtering by team folder I just created, I'm able to select all and send. Everyone who was on my past project has been notified about my new project in one action. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk on 1300-604-001.